So next piece, it's Tzedakah, and pseudonym for all mitzvahs. Okay. The fact is Tzedakah code word for all mitzvahs of the Torah. Okay. The well-being of the world is nurtured by the fulfillment of 613 mitzvahs of the Torah. The mitzvah Tzedakah, which essentially provides for the needs of others, is therefore the paradigm of this idea. Additionally, a Jew who does not practice any other mitzvah may quite conceivably perform the mitzvah Tzedakah. A simple act of charity will definitely improve the condition of the beneficiary as well as enhance the character of the giver. Tzedakah HaKohen Zatzal points out that the process of changing our character for the better, for a better being, with tzedakah, and it is this fact, the transformative power that makes a pseudonym for all mitzvahs. So let's see, and we're going to explain. So one more time, the piece is a tzedakah, pseudonym for all mitzvahs. So one mitzvah, but it means all others. The first tzedakah is called the word for the all mitzvahs of the Torah. So how is it possible? Right? Good question. The well-being of the world is nurtured by fulfillment of 600 mitzvahs of the Torah. So we have 613 mitzvahs of the Torah. Some of them we can do, some of it cannot do. Cannot do meaning because many of them connected to the base of Mikdash. But our sages said if you learn them, it's like you actually perform them. And every Jewish man, of course, supposed to read Karbonos in the morning, right before the Shacharis. Sephardim do actually also some of them before the Mincha, right? And it's counted when you learn these things. It's like you're doing this. And for example, we learn halachas for women, so it's like even though those mitzvahs do not apply to us, to men, but when you learn them, right, it's counted as you did it. Okay, right. So the whole world is nurtured from fulfillment of 613 mitzvahs. The mitzvah tzedakah, which essentially provides for the needs of the others, is thereby paradigms of this idea, right? So because they all nurture from this. Additionally, a Jew who does not participate in any other mitzvah quite conceivably perform the mitzvah of tzedakah. Okay, and it helps him a lot, of course. A simple act of charity is definitely improve the condition of the beneficiary, as well as enhance the character of the giver. So meaning we actually tell people to give tzedakah because why? Because like it is I would say the quickest mitzvah, the easiest mitzvah, right? So just to give money, and maybe there is a possibility that this mitzvah is going to bring another mitzvah, right? So he opened the gate for another mitzvah. Is he going to do it or not? So it depends on us. Right, so you have to push a person just because he gives money. You have to dance and jump in front of him. You understand? That's what clowns do, and that's why they keep these donors, Michal Shabbos, for 20 years, 25 years. But they give money. It's a very unfortunate situation. Rabbi Tzedakah HaKohen points out that the process of changing our character is for the better begins with tzedakah, and it is this fact. So Tzedakah HaKohen said that we change our character from given to the better, from being begins with tzedakah. He does not explain. I mean, at least here they do not explain how. And this is the fact of transformative power. It makes the pseudonym for all mitzvahs. Okay, so meaning give tzedakah, you change, and it's one. In some sense, it's a very, very hard mitzvah because you have to give some part of yourself, as we said in the first class. So it's like person has to work for for his sustenance, and now he has to, in some sense, it's like his life. He invests like few hours, I don't know, 5 hours, 5 days, whatever, how many days into this tzedakah, right, to make this money, and he has to now give off of his life to somebody else. So it's not such an easy thing. So if you person start doing this, so it's going to give him big schus in Shemaim, and maybe he's going to continue, right? We just have to channel the person to right direction. So because I see, unfortunately, there are some people and they speak good and well and just give money and just leave. And those donors, whatever they give, and maybe they have a good heart and maybe they want to follow, but there is nobody to follow. That's the problem. Okay, so we can stop here. Any questions on what we said or did not say?